Good morning, everybody. This is Monday morning, September the 22nd, about 7 o'clock a.m. I would normally be walking this morning, normally be doing my 4-mile walk this morning, but it's raining outside. Say, it's raining outside and I'm not going to walk in the rain, but this cat's living the life. Are you living the life? Your head is literally on my foot. Look at that. I wish AJ could see this. I wish AJ could see this kitty on my foot like this. And then his brother's down there on the floor. Look at these two. Look at these two precious kitties. In from the rain. Say, it's raining outside, but I'm gonna sleep. Yeah, look at you looking at me. This one's for you, AJ. This one's for you. I wish that you can see your kitty cats enjoying a rainy Monday. Enjoying a rainy Monday, just cuddled up. Oh. Oh. I love you too, Joy Boy. And we miss our AJ, don't we? Say, we miss our AJ. There's nothing like the love of a cat. Nothing like the love of a cat. Love you, Joy Boy. Love you.